Alright, this is how you take the headlight out. I've already got this one out so you can see there's a tab in the back. You're going to find the handle and you're going to push that down. There's a bolt that turns this guy right here, and it's in here. You see it says unlock, turn to clockwise, unlock, turn counterclockwise. So you can turn this clockwise till it clicks. It only has to go like half a turn. It latches into the bottom of the headlight right there, and this piece right here. That's all it does, is just turn off and latch into that. Other side, same deal basically. I don't know if we can get in there or not, but here, hold on. Alright, the other side, it's down in here. You'll see it right down in there. You can't see it. And then the metal tab's back there. Push the metal tab, turn that, and it'll pop right out. You don't have to unplug anything or anything. You know, putting it back in, you slide it in, push that metal tab back there down until it goes all the way in, and then you turn the bolt on this one counterclockwise, and it'll lock it in place. That's it, guys. Peace.